Let me show you how you can turn on app tracking on the iPhone. So for that, we go to the settings app as usual, and at the bottom or scrolling through the individual apps, we can find privacy and a security section. And when you click here, we have a few things, but the second option, the second menu is literally called tracking. So when we click there, we can enable tracking for any app which has ever requested it. So below are all of the apps which wanted to track, but I disabled it, right? So I can always re-enable it and make sure that those apps have the permission to track my behavior. So as you can see, this type of tracking is essentially about the activity with an identifier, and it will appear in there. So it is essentially tracking your activity around those apps. And you can also enable it at the top, meaning that new apps or other apps will have the option to access it or even ask you with a pop-up if you want to allow tracking or not. So you can enable it, disable it, however you like it. Outside of that, the second common way people want the apps to track stuff is the location. So in here in privacy and security, we also get to click on a location services. And again, all of the apps which could do it are listed below. So you can decide if, for example, apps like Google Maps can track location and so on. So you can decide however you like it. But that's going to be about it for me. Hope it helped. Subscribe for more and I'll see you later.